Hello guys, once again welcome to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Today I'll be showing you how to check files for viruses online. Suppose you have a suspicious file in your computer and you don't even have any antivirus, okay? But with this video, you can check the file online for viruses and can be sure. So first of all, I'm going to my browser and on Google, I'm just searching for VirusTotal and just hitting to there, and VirusTotal is being loaded. Okay, and there you will be able to find file URL and search. Okay, so for the demonstration purpose, I have some files in my computer in this folder. So first of all, I'm just going to check this CC setup, CCleaner. In it, I can choose it from there, but I'm just going to drag. Okay. Unfortunately, this file has some problems in it. VirusTotal has some antivirus engines in it, the names that you can see here. 2 antiviruses checked the file and found some problems. Detection, details, if you want to know, then relations, behavior, you can know everything about those problems. Okay, now again going back, and obviously I'm not going to install that file in my computer. And the second one is IDM Installer, that is pre-activated or something else. I just got it from one of my friends and I'm going to check it again. And yes, it also has a problem. It has a virus called Trojan dropper in it, and I'm really sure I'm safe that I have not installed it yet. Okay, again going back and then again checking the last one. Going to boarding software. And yes, it also has problems in it, malicious, Trojan, generic, etc. Okay, so, and generally I do not use any antivirus in it, but without scanning this, if I would install those in my computer may have problems in future. So I'm just not going to install it, and even if I install anything, I will surely check it in this website. So that was the file checking. If you want, you can also check URLs. Suppose I'm just going to search something, fusionbd.com. I have a website in my mind and I'm going to search for it, and the website is most probably clean and the indicator is there. Okay, and by this way you can also check other URLs which you think to be suspicious. Okay, and with the search you can also search for URL, IP address, domain, or something else with it, but file and URLs are the most searched one. Okay, and by this way you can check your files online for viruses. And I hope you really found this video useful. If you have any question, any query, then please feel free to contact us on the comment box. Like the video and share your experience, and subscribe to the channel of Joseph IT. Please ring the bell button so that you get all our future uploads in your notification. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.